Cheese is one of the world's most popular foods. But have you ever wondered how a simple glass of milk is transformed into perfectly
He's
aged
pushing it in
cheese?
there.
Here's the complete journey of how cheese
They
is
like
made.
this batch.
Great cheese
Watch the
starts long
tractor.
before the factory. Dairy cows are fed a carefully balanced diet to produce fresh, nutrient-rich milk with consistent quality.
The heart rate is strong and steady.
Good.
Nice and alert.
Yeah?
And the tag is secure. The herd's looking good. Let's check the cheese.
The cows are milked using advanced robotic systems that collect fresh milk quickly, safely, and under strict hygienic conditions, minimizing any risk of contamination. The fresh milk is immediately loaded into insulated tankers that keep it chilled throughout the journey, ensuring it reaches the factory in perfect condition. Before production begins, every batch of milk undergoes rigorous laboratory testing. Experts check its fat content, protein levels, bacterial count, and overall safety to ensure only the highest quality milk is approved. The approved milk is then pasteurized by heating it to a carefully controlled temperature. This destroys harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's essential nutrients. Now the real cheese-making process begins. Starter cultures are added to the milk, introducing beneficial bacteria that will develop the cheese's unique flavor, aroma, and texture. Next comes rennet, a natural enzyme that transforms liquid milk into a soft, gel-like curd. This is one of the most important steps in the entire cheese-making process. Once the curd has fully set, automated cutting blades slice it into small, even cubes. This allows the liquid whey to separate efficiently from the solid curds. The curds are slowly heated while being gently stirred. This removes excess moisture and gradually creates the firm texture that defines the final cheese. curds are transferred into molds and compressed using powerful hydraulic presses. This removes the remaining whey and gives the cheese its final shape. The freshly pressed cheese is then submerged in a large brine bath. The salt enhances flavor, improves preservation, and helps develop the cheese's protective outer surface. Now comes the longest stage, aging. Over weeks or even months, carefully controlled temperature and humidity allow the cheese to develop its rich flavor, texture, and character. After aging, the cheese is vacuum sealed to remove air, keeping it fresh for longer while protecting it from contamination during storage and transportation. The finished cheese is loaded into refrigerated trucks that maintain a constant cold temperature throughout the supply chain, ensuring every product reaches stores in perfect condition. From a single drop of fresh milk to the slice on your plate, every piece of cheese is the result of months of care, precision, advanced technology, and strict quality control.
Look at that cheese.
Wow.
If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like,
This is the best
share,
cookie
and
ever.
subscribe